Mike Westphal here at McDonald Garden Center, and today I want to tell you about some of the shrubs that we have here at the Garden Center. We have lots of different types, lots of different colors, textures, and sizes, and different sun requirements. So anything that you might need for your landscape needs, we can probably cover it with our shrubs here. We have a great selection. And I'm going to show you three of my favorites now. This is Nandina Firepower. Nandina Firepower gets about 3x2. It's a nice small gumdrop shape. Gets this really pretty chartreuse green color here in the spring, and then in the summer it'll turn to that darker kind of bluish green color, and then in the winter it goes almost completely dark red. That's why they call it Firepower. There's lots of different types of Nandinas for this area, and lots of different sizes and shapes and textures. But this is one of my favorite, great mass plantings. Grow like 5 to 7 of them in a big group, and they really, stand out in the landscape and add a lot of different texture and color, and very easy to grow. The next one is a Belian Kaleidoscope. So this is a newer plant that you'll see in this area. Very easy to grow. Gets about 3 to 4 feet high and about the same width. And it grows in a nice big dome shape, so it's very low maintenance. You don't have to do a lot of pruning. Gets white flowers in the summer that the hummingbirds and the butterflies love. And it's got this great variegation to it, so it gives you that kind of that gold color. And there's another variety too that's called Radiance that has a white and green variegation. So another different type that you could use in your landscape. Very drought tolerant, very easy to grow, evergreen, loves full sun, great one for your landscape. And then of course, my last favorite is azaleas. Lots of different types of azaleas here in the south. This is a great one. This is called Encore. There's the Encore series. This is the Embers. Embers is a bright kind of orangey red color of the flower, and these bloom in the spring, summer, and fall, and lots of different styles, lots of different colors, and these all get different sizes, so they get somewhere from 2x2 to 5x5 depending on the variety you choose. So again, you got lots of choices here, and these like a little bit of shade, so for a shade garden, adds lots of color all season long, so another great plant. And of course, we have a huge selection here at the Garden Center, so come in and see us, and we'll help get the right shrubs for you.